Good morning. Good afternoon. Actually, good afternoon. Okay, so we want to answer some questions. Go live here. Okay. Yeah, we want to answer some questions. Here. We want to answer questions. If you have a question, put it in the comments. Yeah, please put it in the comments so we can answer those questions. I'll put it in the on the screen. So if you have a question, you put it in the comment, then I'll place it on the screen so that everybody can see it, and then we can answer it. Okay. Questions in the comment, please. Hey Patricia, how are you? How you feeling this lovely afternoon, 1:57 p.m.? How you feeling? Let me know in the comment. How are you? Bless, how are you? I'm doing all right. How are you? We're just here to answer some questions. If you have a question, just put it in the comment, then I'll place it here on the screen so that everybody can see it, then we can answer it. Okay. Yeah, I am doing very well. Thanks for joining us. We are here to answer questions. If you do have a question, just put it in the comment, then we will answer your questions. Okay. I'm not giving up. Something will come up for me. God bless. Okay, yeah, of course, you can never give up in life. Of course, you can never give up in life. That's just principles, okay? Let's see here. We have this one. What do you think I can do with my decision pending asylum case for 6 years ago? Should I continue to wait? Oh, Lisa, we already told you, right? If your case is pending with USCIS, you still have an option to sue USCIS. Or you can just wait. Up to you. That's really up to you. My sister, is there anything said about 20 years overstayers? Nothing yet. The only thing we have here is for spouses of U.S. citizens, you know, the parole that, remember we did a lot of live sessions here talking about parole, who's qualified, who's not, parole in place for spouses of U.S. citizens, as far as nothing else. But what I heard in the news is that Donald Trump is saying that once he becomes a president, he's gonna open a pathway for green card for people who have college degrees, associate degrees, bachelor's, master's, PhD, and so forth. So that's just, you know, talk. You know, when somebody want to become a president, everybody comes with promises, okay? So we don't know for sure what he's gonna do, but yeah. Okay. Good afternoon. How are you? Hola, Coolidge and Peggy, how are you? How do I get your consultation? Consultation, let me send you the consultation links. Here. I can just give it in the chat room. Okay. Yeah, that's my consultation link in the description box. Okay, in the chat box, you can see it in the chat box as well. How can I? We did answer your question yesterday, right? We did answer your question yesterday. In order to go outside, you have to ask for parole. Yeah, I'm not gonna go over this question because I really answered it a lot yesterday. I'm not going over it. Okay, so yeah, Lisa, I sent the consultation link. If you just look at the chat box, you see the consultation link. Let me know if you see it. Okay, we have another question here. Okay, how long to wait before filing after being married to U.S. citizen in the U.S. and support the document for adjustment of status? How long to wait before filing? Well, it's going to depend on what type of document you have, right? So if you have sufficient documents, of course you can file. But if you don't have sufficient documents, it's better to come up with all those documents, not all, but at least some evidence to show that this is a bona fide marriage. So what type of document? We have marriage certificate, jointly filed tax returns, bank statement, joint account, of course, lease agreement, if you have policies for car, if you have policies for insurance policies, you know, with both names on it. If you have, let's say, life insurance, naming your other spouse, the beneficiary, right, the one that is being sponsored as a beneficiary. If you have anything that you have as far as property are concerned, it has to have both names on it so that we know for sure that this is a good faith marriage. If you have children born in the marriage, of course, birth certificates of the children. What else? Affidavits of support with people. It has to be notarized from people who have personal knowledge of your relationship. That's big. Always put some affidavits of support. Shimmer Shine. Advance parole, as we know it, is that advance parole is not guarantee for coming back. As I explained yesterday, people usually come back if they have advance parole granted. But sometimes some people don't get to come back because they have other issues. For example, criminal history, misrepresentation, stuff like that. It can lead a CBP officer at the border to just deny entry because the person has a lot of inadmissibility issues. But in general, If somebody doesn't have those things and they ask for advance parole, and if it's approved and they want to go outside to get their visa, sometimes really they'll come back if they don't have anything else like preventing them. Okay. But if the person, let's say the person enter without inspection, first of all, how are they going to get advance parole? Advance parole, it's usually for people who have something pending with USCIS, or people who have, let's say, DACA recipients, or people who have green card pending, asylum pending, DACA recipient, temporary protected status individuals. Those are the individuals who are qualified to apply for those advance parole. Once it's granted, of course, a person can come back, but there's no guarantee because the application itself says no guarantee. So I don't know how else to say it. I guess I said it yesterday, I'm saying it again. So it's just up to you to decide. Let's see. We have another question. Okay, Jasmine Carl, do you think parole in place will end up in court like DACA or DAPA? Of course, I heard already that some Republicans said that they're going to challenge it. But the question becomes, are they going to win? Nobody knows. We have to see it going to court, and then we have to see it winning. But according to the people who wrote this parole in place program, they're saying that it's really, it has all the protection. So in terms of if they end up in court, they are gonna win. The parole in place is going to stand. So we don't know. If they end up going to court, we don't know who's gonna win, who's not gonna lose, who's not gonna win. You just have to wait and see. No guarantee they come back. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, parole there's always no guarantee for that because it says it's on the application. But people come back if they don't have any other stuff going on with them. If you don't have criminal history, chances are you come back. Wow, I don't know why this one. I end this. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Instagram. Just waiting for questions. New questions, of course, not the questions we answered yesterday. Okay, so we don't have any more questions. It looks like we're all set. No more questions. Or maybe I should wait a little bit just to see if we're gonna have additional questions. Let's see if we have a new. Let's see if we have any other news going on with those USCIS or okay, I guess this is it. I don't see any news like as of recent news. Yeah, I guess we should come back next week though, because I don't see any nothing new going on. Might just make videos for something else, for regular topics. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Please like, please share. I don't see any. I guess we answer all questions. Let's see. Yeah, we answer all the questions. Okay, oh, we have another question here. Hi, did USCIS reduce immigration officer in Vermont Center from 400 to 175? I don't know. Maybe. That's why those cases are taking forever. Maybe. Where did you read about it? Online? You could be right, because those cases are taking forever. We wonder why. Maybe they don't have enough people to work on cases. And why would they reduce when they need people to work on those cases? Oh, you got it from another lawyer. Oh, yeah, the lawyer could be right, because especially for VAWA cases, it used to be 30 months. Now they're saying 38 months, almost 4 years. So yeah, that could be the problem, because those cases are really taking way too long. Even normal cases, like you see, normal cases shouldn't be taking that long. Yeah, so I don't see anything else new. Okay. Okay, what am I expecting if Trump comes back? What am I'm expecting a lot of deportation orders being like reinforced, because sometimes, you know, they order somebody removed, but they don't follow through to physically remove the person. If Trump comes back, then they're gonna do what they did in 2020. Remember in 2020, basically in 2021, especially at the beginning of 2021, no, 2016, sorry, 2017, when Trump was in power, they will physically go to people's house and remove them, whether the case was priority or non-priority. It didn't really matter. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm expecting a lot of asylum cases being denied at the border, specifically at the border. Yeah, so those are the things I'm expecting. And then he pretty much said what he was going to do, right? He said that he was going to terminate DACA, TPS for a lot of country, all those executive orders program like TPS, DACA. He said he was going to be done with it. Yeah, so that's bad, because a lot of people rely on TPS for their work permit. So if he's done with it, then yeah, if he's done with it, I don't know what else people can do to get their valid work permit. So that's a bad news. But according to the latest news, what he said is that once he gets into power, he's going to give the green card to people with degrees, like college degrees, master degrees, like bachelor, associate degrees, master degree, PhD, and so forth. That's something people are thinking about. It's not the chance to file cases. Yeah, especially if somebody is in removal and they're trying to terminate removal proceedings. This is the time to push to really get that removal proceeding terminated, because otherwise, when Trump comes back, reopening old cases, it's going to be hard. Yeah, it was really hard in 2017, 2018. Most people, once they filed the motion to reopen, it was denied to reopen cases. Yeah. So, but right now we can see a lot of cases being dismissed. If it's not a priority, it's dismissed easily. But if Trump is here, you don't want that, because he always come up with some type of drastic change. Yeah, you don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that. Especially for people who have DACA, TPS, yeah, and order of removal. No, you don't want that. You don't want that. Okay. What else? Nothing else. Okay, I guess this is it. We don't have a lot of questions today. We try to answer all questions. If we have any other news, I'll come back next week. If not, I'm just gonna be posting, those short videos with some type of advice and stuff like that. But if we have a major news, I'll come back to do a live session. Okay, until next time, bye bye.